Welcome to another story to go with our weather unit. This one talks about a different kind of weather that we have probably experienced but hasn't been on our list this week. So, see if you can relate to the weather in this story. The story is called Heat Wave, and I would love it if you can see if you can read it with me. That would be a great way for you to keep practicing those first grade reading skills. So the story title is Heat Wave, and it's by Donna Logren and illustrated by Laura Ferraro Close. Oh, I noticed a table of contents. I have 3 chapters and I have a science activity. I wonder what science activity we could do for this week. This sounds like a lot of fun. Chapter 1 starts with at the pool. At the pool. I'm hot, says Ty. He takes a sip of cold lemonade. I'm hotter, says Jamal. He gnaws on a frozen fruit pop. I see one of our silent G's. I'm the hottest, says Jamal's little brother Martin. I'm as hot as a hot dog on a grill. Wait a minute, he's not a hot dog on a grill. Oh, he's as hot as a hot dog. Wait a minute. When you put a hot dog on a grill, does it change color? I wonder if Jamal is changing color. Hot dog on a grill is pretty hot, doesn't your mom tell you, yeah, don't eat that a minute, or she might tell you blow on it so it cools off a little bit. The 2 older boys laugh. The boys are at the pool with their families. Many other people are there. They are trying to cool off too. All the seats in the shade are taken. The swimming pool is full of children and their parents. We talked about cause and effect. What is causing all those people to think that the pool is a good idea? This month has been so dry, says Ty. My mom says the weather has been hotter this year than ever before. I hope it rains soon, says Jamal. Our yard is yellow, not green. I wonder what he means when he says the yard is yellow, not green. I have a question, says Martin. May I go swim now? We have to put on more We have to put on more sunscreen first, says Jamal. Jamal gathers their towels. The boys walk over to their parents. Martin's dad puts sunscreen on him. Jamal and Ty put their own sunscreen on. Then the 3 boys jump into the pool. Chapter 2, Think Cool. Let's think of the coolest things we can, Ty says. Like what? Jamal asks. Ty answers, let's pretend we are floating in a pool full of ice cubes. You know what I think of when I see that? It makes me think of the polar bears and the walruses that lay in the ocean on top of icebergs. That would be great, Jamal says. What if we could go sledding on ice cream? Oh, I don't think I'd like that idea. I don't like that concept of getting sticky. Do you think it would be worth sledding on ice cream? Ty laughs. He asks, what flavor? I'd like strawberry, Jamal says. Me too, says Martin as he splashes by. I know, we could visit another country, says Ty. Which country would be good? Asks Jamal. Someplace really cold, Martin says. What about Iceland? Says Ty. Iceland sounds like it would be very cold, Jamal answers. Maybe we could visit the North Pole, says Martin. Ty smiles and says, That is a very cool idea, Martin. Chapter 3, Be the Heat. What else could we pretend to do to stay cool? Jamal asks. We could pretend to swim in a pool of cold rice pudding, Ty says. Martin grins as he splashes by again. He says, that would feel funny. Jamal says, we could slide down a wall of ice into a cold drink. What kind of drink? Ty asks. Ty's mother calls, water. You need to drink lots of water in this heat. The boys look at each other. Race you to the water fountain, says Jamal. What do you think happens when the boys race to the water fountain? We also did an experiment in class. Remember when we went outside and it was really, really hot? And we came inside and we tried 3 things to get cool. Can you think of some more ways that the boys could cool off from their story? I hope you have fun thinking about those ideas. Have a great day.